How to use Speechify text-to-speech. In this quick tutorial, I will turn a plain block of text into natural-sounding speech, then show you how to control the voice, the speed, and playback, all inside the Speechify web app. Start on the home screen and make sure you are on the Listen to Text tab. This is the text-to-speech side of Speechify. You can feed it files, cloud documents, or links, but the fastest way to convert raw text is the Paste Text option. So click Paste Text. In the Add Text dialog, give your file a name first. I will call mine A Short History of Paper. Next, click the text box and paste whatever you want read aloud. Anything from a paragraph to a whole chapter. Hit Save File, and Speechify converts it instantly. Your text is now a listenable document in the reader. Press Listen and the text-to-speech engine starts reading right away, highlighting every sentence and every word on screen as it speaks. Here is where the controls come in, all on the player bar at the bottom. Pause, a mute toggle, and 10-second jumps. Try the skip buttons to move around. Skip back replays the last 10 seconds, and skip forward jumps ahead, which is handy in long documents. Changing the voice is one click. Open the voice picker from the player bar, and you get a long list of AI voices in different accents and styles. Pick any of them, and the reading continues in the new voice. Speed is the other control worth learning. Open the speed menu and step it up or down. Text-to-speech really shines when you raise the speed gradually, because the on-screen highlighting keeps your eyes locked to the words. When you finish, close the player and the document. Your converted file waits in the library with its listening progress saved, ready to resume next time you open it. That is all text-to-speech takes in Speechify. Paste, save, listen, and tune the voice and speed to your ears. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.